Hello everybody, my name is Destiny, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to relocate your previously installed Steam games. So let's see how it goes. This is gonna be quite a simple and straightforward tutorial. Put on your speed boots cause this is gonna be quite rapid. Let's go. So first of course you have to go to Steam after it loads.
2,000 years later.
Okay, now after you're in Steam, so the option that you want to focus on is Steam. Go to settings, then what you want to look for is the storage option, and now you want to go to here and then add drive. But so what we will do is we will pretty much define the location of your previous Steam folder. So you need to find your where your previously installed Steam folder is. So you want to click on let me choose another location, and now it's gonna ask you for the particular path to that location. So in my case I had previously installed Steam on the Almighty Shrek drive, and as you can see for me it's this. So you want to go select, and as you can see this drive already has a library. You want to go add, and bam, it list all of your previously installed games here, and then everything should be synced and ready to go. Hey boys and girls, if this helped you, subscribe, like, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye!